Hey guys, what's up? It's Kelvin here once again. So today I'm just going to show you guys an exercise you can actually use. I would advise you using the metronome, right? Start very slow till you get to your desired tempo. So now this exercise is a major flat 7 arpeggio exercise, right? So we are playing it in two forms. So yes, the first one, let me just take it very slow. The first one is 1, 3, 5, flat 7, and then come down. That is all. So let's go again. You can actually go back, right? So sorry, you have to actually make your note very clean and precise, right? So then go back, right? So that's the first one. So let me call out the notes, right? So, do mi so, so 1 3 5, do mi so, then flat 7, right, which is your do, then your do, then come to your mi so, right, with your 3 and 5 here, then do again, which is your flat 7, and end with your do or 8, right? So that's the first one, right? So now the second one has another different shape, right? This is the second one, right? Then you get it. So let me go. Your 1, your 3, so do re mi, so 1 3, right? Then your flat 7, right? Then do mi, then and it do. So let's go again. Again, right? Then sorry. So you see, I went back. So actually, even me, I'm not practically too used to it. I have to have to practice it for a while. So 2, 3, go, right? 2, 3, go. So you can go. Yes, right? Continuously. Use the metronome, right? So let's try the second one, the first one actually. So 2, 3, go. 2, 3. So all the same notes were 1 3 5 flat 7, then do your flat 7, then your do, your 8, then 3 5 flat 7 and your 8, which is your do. So you get it. So just use a metronome like that till you get yes, to your desired tempo. So just try it out, practice it for a longer period of time. It's actually going to help you expand and know more about your fretboard easily also. So yes, so thank you. Please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please, I'd love you to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification to get more updates whenever I drop videos. Thank you. I remain your boy Kelvin.